Velocity of wind should offset drag. Wing, 43 degrees angle of attack. Weight, 200 pounds. Lift, 250. Propulsion system activated. Approaching level. And lift off! Woo! Attento!
Here, here.
Lily Bell? You ready?
We need the glue and the posters, huh?
Let's see who puts up the mosters.
Quick!
Stick! This looks like a friendly spot.
Fishing villages usually are.
Pigeon brain is out again. Great. He's gonna scare away the fish.
Huh?
He better not crack through my roof.
Huh?
Huh. Ooh.
Did you see that guy, Lily Bell?
What is that thing?
I've done it! I'm flying! I'm flying! Losing control of flight level!
He was doing well there for a while.
He's a kook.
We'd have been born with wings if we was meant to fly.
Ain't natural.
Amelia!
Huh?
I've been looking all over town for you. I should have known you'd be here. Maybe now that you've seen him fail up close, you'll lose your fascination with this fool. He's a maniac.
He's not a maniac.
He's a certified wingnut. Who are you anyway?
We're part of the little circus. Would you like a poster, sir?
No? Let's go.
Come on, girl.
1 and 2 and whoop.
See those cliffs with the eagles? I bet the Birdman lives there.
Huh? He probably flew from there.
I'm gonna go look.
I'm gonna try to make friends with one of those eagles.
It was a young boy by the name of Swift who first discovered this genius man of flight. Together, they learned how to fly like eagles. An airborne extravaganza! That must be it! I wonder if he's at home. Huh? Wow, look at all this stuff! I've gotta see. Hello? Where is he? I wonder if he's tried all of these. Wings! These will work. I'm lighter than him. That'll help. Ah! Is that ever high? Watch this, everyone! 1, 2, 3.
Fly cancelled. Are you right out of your mind, boy?
No more than you.
Only an aerial technician has the skills required to use this apparatus.
I saw your skills do an aerial lake dive. Wait, that was rude. Sorry. I just want to learn how to fly like you.
Huh? Fly like me? You saw me this morning. My flight was a failure. All those people down there think I'm a nut. Maybe they're right. Who knows? But I'm so close. I can feel it. Well, it's nice to meet you. Rare to find a fellow enthusiast. I'm Mr. Cloud. You should have seen me last week. I crashed through a barn roof. That was the ornithopter. But look. This is my masterpiece.
Yeah!
I went to school with the Wright brothers. They want to learn how to fly too. Soon we'll soar like eagles. But it's dangerous. The higher you can fly, the further you can fall.
If it started to fall, I'd just jump out. I'd float down somehow. With an umbrella.
That's called a parachute. I have two in that balloon over there.
Balloon?
Yes. Want to go for a ride?
In this? Yeah!
The first hot air balloon carrying a human being was flown over Paris, France in 1783. Right to the edge. That's it. The balloon is varnished silk.
It's really light. What's that? Wow!
It's hydrogen. It weighs less than any other element. It's even lighter than air. That's what makes the balloon float. This will be my balloon's maiden voyage.
Wow! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Tea, Faustina?
Thank you.
More pumpkin?
Nah, I wanted something warm in my belly, not on.
Oh.
Good thing you're in the circus. You'd never make it as a waitress, Cleopatra.
Madam, what's wrong, huh?
A balloon.
Hey, we'll be flying over the circus soon.
The wind died. Is there a clearing?
Yep.
That's Swift up there!
Look out, everybody! Here we come!
Hold on tight, Swift. We're coming down hard.
Mamma mia.
Mario?
Dizzy.
Swift, what were you doing in that thing?
Madam, I call this my cloud scraper balloon.
Scrape at the ground, not to the sky.
We flew all the way from those cliffs over there.
No, Fly. You sideways fell down.
We were flying in the air for a long time.
For 3 hours, 22 minutes, and 67 seconds.
Longer than you.
We can walk faster than you can fly.
And I can swat faster than you can run. I can't believe you brought him up with you.
Air balloon flight is perfectly safe, madam. It's the landing that's dangerous.
It looks like you brought a stowaway with you.
You're a childish toy. Attract all the children. It's not safe for them to play, sir.
Forgive me. I had no idea she was there.
It's not Mr. Cloud's fault she climbed inside.
But what about you, Swift? He should not have taken you up there. Just a boy. Well, Nino, what's the hubbub? Did you have a guest drop in? No.
Would you like to have dinner with us, sir?
For your sake, I'll decline your kind offer. You won't want the reputation of knowing me.
Why not?
Would you be so good as to escort this little girl back home? She probably... shouldn't be seen with this crazy, notorious inventor either. Good night.
Your inventor friend? He should keep working until he make us something right that can fly. It's not so easy as it looks to fly like a bird. This familia been learning to fly since we were bambini.
You shouldn't compare yourself with a scientist.
Where did this portable furnace come from? Did somebody hit a yard sale? This doesn't even have poles. Where did this old second-hand circus tent come from? You better not expect me to pay for it. What's so funny?
Those look pretty heavy.
They're fine.
If you say so. Almost got it. There. It looks solid.
Titan, push me!
Certainly.
This looks fun. Can I try next?
Sure.
Me first.
Are you comfortable? Anything hurt?
Nope. All clear.
Well, I guess every experiment has some risk. Go ahead.
All
he's
right,
secure.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Watching you spin is making me feel sick.
Me too.
Warn us if you're gonna toss it.
I'm fine. I'll fly away. Oh, darling. I'll fly away.
Che cosa fai?
Isn't it neat? Swift is working up a new flying act.
We are the only ones to fly. The flying mosquitoes, not this butterfly Swift with his Pinocchio wings of wood. See?
You talk as if you invented flying. Well, you didn't. You're just jealous because my act is more spectacular than yours.
May I comb your beard too?
Yes.
We quit! Fine! No more mosquitoes! That's it! That dog flea Swift, he insulted me, Mario Mosquito, and me, my brother Nino,
And me.
my sister Venus. Only the mosquitoes fly, nobody else. Yes, Mario.
Can I try?
Swift? Huh? I need to speak to you about something important, boy. It seems you offended the mosquitoes. Now, I know you probably didn't mean to, but you hurt them all the same. Everyone likes to feel special, and the mosquito's specialty is flying. Now, I know you get frustrated being just an ordinary kid, and you want to do something spectacular, but you can't steal their specialty. Understand?
They don't even actually fly, Baritone.
No arguing. You'll just have to find yourself another act, all right? You'll never fly in this circus. Sorry, but that's life.
But my act is better.
They are master acrobats, and you are just a cheeky little boy.
Don't call me a little boy. I'm a genius.
If you're so much better than everybody, then why don't you go and start your own circus? Be a one-man show. Go right ahead, arrogant little monkey.
So what?
You're impossible. You are not going to fly.
Yeah? Says who? I'll fly on my own. You'll see.
Come back.
Where are you going, Swift? Wait! Swift!
Leave me alone, Lilybell.
Swift?
Please wait!
Let's talk it through. What am I to do with him? I'm a failure as a father figure.
He'll come back when he settles down.
Have I chosen business and the mosquitoes over a boy's dream? What if I've crushed his aspirations?
The boy has to learn he can't always have his way.
I don't need anybody. I'll start my own flying circus extravaganza.
He's so creative and full of ideas, but I just can't keep up with the boy.
He has a strong heart and he has a strong will.
You're right.
He'll be fine once he cools down.
Hi, Theodore. Amelia, what are you doing back here? I just took you home. Why are you in with the bear? He's not a toy. Answer me, Amelia. Why don't you say something? Don't you speak? Well, you can't stay here. Your father will be worried about you. Come on, let's go.
Where's our audience? The show starts in 5 minutes. Not a single ticket is sold. Did the kids forget to put up the posters? Is there another function on? Or have we been boycotted by the villagers now?
Trouble.
We were just in town and...
The village blames us.
But what have we done?
They think we encouraged Amelia to ride in Mr. Cloud's cloud scraper.
Talk about a scrape. Can we help it if that negligent father lets the girl run away from home all the time? Everyone blames the circus. Mr. Cloud has nothing to do with us.
And Swift is still missing.
Problemo?
Swift is gone and the town blames us for Amelia's disappearance.
He wouldn't have run away if you hadn't have overreacted. You clipped his wings, so he decided to fly the coop.
Sereno!
You, Sereno. You shouldn't have felt so threatened about a little boy flying around on wooden wings.
But before you know, he'll work up the flying act with Mr. Cloud. A pazzo who happened us to lose our audience, no?
The point is, there's no need to be possessive. The mosquitoes are fabulous. Don't worry, nobody's going to replace you.
My hair!
Hello, little dove. What's the hurry? Oh, do you have a message?
What could it be?
Look. Friends, I am staying the night at Mr. Cloud's. Don't worry about me. I'll be back tomorrow. Swift.
Thanks for taking me in.
Anytime.
I've never slept on a feathered bed. Huh.
May you dream of flight. Have a restful sleep.
You too!
Good night.
Good night!
If the storm clears up, it would be a great day to fly my masterpiece. But that's not the only problem with it.
Hey!
It's not strong enough to carry my weight.
Mr. Cloud?
Yes.
Too heavy, huh? Well, would the plane be able to carry a small boy like me?
You'd be risking your life.
No, I wouldn't. Not if I wore one of those bumbershoot's.
You mean a parachute?
Yeah,
Well,
I saw you make one yesterday. And besides, right, I have experience. I've flown before.
you're right. You'll be quite safe if you use the parachute.
I have to know where he is. I'll consult my crystal ball. Crystal ball, tell me where the future will fall. Swift's whereabouts to gain, speak to me plain. What? A flying contraption. Of course, something Mr. Cloud built. Oh, no.
Oh, what do you see, sweet soothsayer?
I can't tell if it's in the future or if it's already happened, but Swift's flying. He's soaring through the sky.
I'll stop him. I know where he is.
Push it right to the end, Swift. That's it.
Tell me when!
That's good.
Can I get in now?
Hop on.
Oh, I hope I'm not too late.
Amelia, where are you? Where's Amelia?
What?
Where is she? You're trying to steal her away with the circus as one of your flying freaks.
How dare you?
Maybe I should let you keep her. My little mute always pulls a disappearing act.
I doubt that she's a mute. She's just shy.
Are you giving me advice on parenting? A woman with more facial hair than me and a man who wears lipstick?
Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Level the plane.
Level and straight!
Good boy. It works. It works. My masterpiece. After all these years, finally it flies with the birds.
Swift! How could you let him go up there, Mr. Cloud? He's just a boy.
Huh? Yes, and he's the first boy to fly.
I wonder what's past the clouds. Maybe I could get all the way to the moon in this. It's so beautiful up here. I can see the whole county.
Time to come back. You're running out of fuel. The propeller's overheating. He's doing fine, though. Look at him go. You aren't the only ones to dominate the skies now, my pets.
Almost there. Come on. I'm too close to land on the cliff. I'm gonna have to use my parachute. Look out. Here I come.
He's lost control. He can't land the plane.
Here goes nothing. Whoa. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Swift.
Swift!
stop me!
You're such a grump. No wonder Amelia runs away all the time.
Amelia, this will be a hard fall.
We'll fly with the birds.
You spoke. Huh?
Thanks, feathered friends.
Hello, Lilybell.
Swift, thank goodness you're safe.
Oh no! My masterpiece! My poor flying machine! It must have been the extra weight of Amelia on board.
My daughter better not have been in that crash!
Over here.
Swift!
Amelia, my
I
darling!
thought I'd never see
You're
you
safe,
again.
thank goodness! I know you find it more interesting, but I'm the one who's your father, not him!
No one could ever replace you. How could they? You're her father. Besides, I have to fly.
But where are you going?
You spoke, Amelia!
I think instead of competing with the birds, I'll join them.
Wonder what Mr. Cloud's up to.
Birds of a feather stick together!
Amelia, what was that thing you made out of paper?
It's an aeroplane.
Oh, it sure can fly!